Hello everyone, in this short and simple tutorial I will show you how to add a glitch effect to your footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, create your project. Now I'm gonna import my video file, drag it to the timeline. Let me expand this a little bit. So this is my video. Now go to the effects window, make sure you have it activated here, and search for glitch here, the VR digital glitch. Apply it to the video, and now go to the effect controls panel and you will see here VR digital glitch. If you can see here in the preview, it's already applied. It doesn't look so good, but we're gonna modify it a little bit to make it look more attractive. So first, it lasts the whole video, so I don't want that. I only want it to be in some parts of the video, for example here in the middle. And also I would like it to do more the RGB kind of split effect that it always does when we have the glitch effect. So first, to make it last only some seconds or only in some part of the video, we need to make use of the master amplitude. So go to the point in the timeline that you want the effect to start and keyframe the master amplitude and set it to 0. As you can see now, it deactivates the effect. And now move the timeline marker some keyframes forward, could be 5. You can do it with the arrows in your keyboard, and set it to 100. Now copy and move 5 keyframes forward and paste the keyframes and repeat the same every time that you want. Now we'll have something like this. If you can appreciate it in the preview, I want it to be gone by the end, so I'm gonna add another keyframe and I'm gonna set it to 0. That's it. So now this will be the preview. And here in distortion we have all the options to play around with this. Let me expand this a little bit. So I'm gonna go to the beginning of our effect, and here we have the distortion rate. If we set it to 0, we will see more of that RGB effect that I talked to you about. Let me expand this so we can see it easier. If you pay attention, we have this like RGB splitting effect. You can also keyframe it, the distortion rate, to make some changes around the effect, not to be always the same distortion rate. You can also play with the random seed here. The random seed will make like more distortion. You can also keyframe it as always. You can also modify the color evolution. This will change a little bit the RGB. And of course the distortion complexity, distortion evolution. Now if I play this, You can also modify the color distortion. I like it to I like it at 100. As you can see, it feels like if it vibrated. And yeah, you can play around with all of these options until you get a preview of your liking. And of course, if you don't want this to be at the whole video, I mean in the whole like screen, only in some objects of your video, you can create a mask up here, and for example here in the T that falls, and it will only apply the effect to the mask that we've created. So if I play this now, pay attention to this area, it only applies the effect to that area. And that's it, we finished with this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. See you in the next one.